Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will give introduction of HTML DOM. So what is DOM? The DOM is a W3C standard. The DOM defines a standard for accessing HTML and XML documents. The W3C document object model is a platform and language neutral interface that allows programs and scripts to dynamically access and update the content, structure and style of a document. So let's see first what is the HTML DOM. HTML DOM is a standard object model for HTML, a standard programming interface for HTML, and it is a W3C standard. The HTML DOM defines the object and properties of all HTML elements and the methods to access them. The HTML DOM is a standard for how to get, change, add or delete HTML elements. Let's see basic of DOM. The document object model is a programming API for HTML and XML document. It defines the logical structure of documents and the way a document is accessed and manipulated. In the DOM specification, the term document is used in the broad sense. Increasingly, XML is being used as a way of representing many different kinds of information that may be stored in diverse systems, and much of this would traditionally be seen as a data rather than as documents. So where the document object model came from? The document object model originated as a specification to allow JavaScript and Java programs to be portable among web browsers. Dynamic HTML was immediate ancestor of the document object model, and it was originally thought of largely in terms of browsers. Some of the vendors had also developed their own object model for documents in order to provide programming APIs for HTML and XML editors or document repositories, and these object models have also influenced the document object model. So what should you already know to learn HTML DOM? You should already know HTML, XHTML and JavaScript. This is the necessary technology which you should already know. So this is about basic introduction of HTML DOM. We will study further various tutorial of HTML DOM in further videos. Thank you.